depending on how the COVID situation unfolds. With restrictions and containment measures being localized and targeted, businesses and households are learning to adapt. And this is something which has been very well noticed over the last year. Even with local containment measures, businesses, small businesses, and the big businesses, big and small and medium, I think everybody has learned how to survive and how to do business in an environment of containment, in an environment when there are physical restrictions, or rather restrictions on physical movement. With restrictions and containment measures being localized and targeted, that's what I was alluding to. With restrictions and containment measures being localized and targeted, businesses and households are learning to adopt. Consequently, the dent to aggregate demand is expected to be moderate in comparison to a year ago. Reports suggest that the disruption in manufacturing units so far is minimal. Consumption demand is holding up, with sales of consumer goods rising in double digits in January to March, and average daily electricity generation up by 40% year-on-year in the month of April. Rail freight has registered growth of over 76% year-on-year in April. Toll collections in April suggest that mobility has declined, but quite unlike the abrupt halt in mobility during April last year. Registration of automobiles in April 21 has shown some moderation compared to March. The tractor segment, however, continues its robust pace. The Purchasing Managers Index, that is PMI for manufacturing, continues in expansion mode at 55.5 in April compared to 55.4 in the preceding month, that is March. Overall, the high-frequency indicators are emitting mixed signals.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and your comments are valuable as well.